Hi everyone! I want to show you a Valentine's gift for my parents. Minahal lang siya, so without further ado, let's start this video. This is this Pandora. Let's open this para makita nyo. This is Pandora Promise Ring. Ireregalo ko to kay Mommy kasi recently sinabi niya sa akin na gusto niya ng mga accessories like rings, necklaces. So I decided na ito na lang yung iregalo ko sa Valentine's Day. Next is may electric shaver. Akala ko malaki yung lalagyan niya, expectation versus reality. And nabili ko siya sa TikTok. Lastly is sa akin. So I got 2 roses. So this is satin rose and crochet rose. Okay, let's start from the satin rose. So nung Valentine's, I ordered donut and then may kasama na siyang rose. So magpapap ako ng picture yan. Ayan. So the next is this crochet rose. It's so very affordable. Binili ko to kay Miss Moray. And ito is from Mini Pancakes. So thank you so much. Happy Valentine's, Mommy!
Thank you. Bah! What a surprise! What's this? Wow! Diamond ring.
Happy Valentine's, Daddy!
Happy Valentine, anak. Thank you.
So that's the end of my video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye bye guys, see you on my next video. Good day and God bless us all.